can you be a girl and you date one man or two men? Are you out of your senses? He's supposed to date 5, 6 guys. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Quote me. If you're a girl and you date only one man, you go lose. Because there is possibility that that man may not end up with you. And that time you have pursued the rest away. When a man come to you for relationship, ask him to define the meaning of relationship. If he just dates, what I understand about date is studying someone. Let us date means let us study. As you are studying me, that time nothing is serious. As I'm studying you, I can also be studying another man.